Hello friends, welcome to my channel UTKARSH 2010. So please subscribe and like and share my channel. So let's start the video. So today we make site. So first open Google. Search here Google Sites. Open Google site. Take a blank page. You can choose it. And you can insert here text. You can insert here HTML codes. By inbuilt code. Next, you can see our embedded code is ready. So you can insert. This is too easy in desktop. If you work on your phone, so you can work like this. So open Google site, click three dots, open desktop site, and you can make. So if you want to publish this, click publish button. Enter your web address. So you can choose any web address. Source code. And you can publish. Your site has been published successfully. So if you want to open your site, so this is the link of your site. You can copy and paste here your site link and open. You can see our site has been successfully uploaded in Google.